Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I am in the Fixing Salvage office and I've just won a car literally about 2 minutes ago. We've paid for it and it's a Monday. We've just got back from Copart with another car. And it was absolutely dead at Copart, wasn't it? Yeah. So we're going to get back in the truck, unload it, get back off to Copart because while it's dead and the loading times are very, there basically is no loading times, we're going to get up there. It looks like there's not really a lot of damage, does there?
No. What do you think? What do you think?
Well, it's category N, so the front bumper's missing from it completely. So I think maybe it might have been repaired, and then the insurance company decided not to repair it for whatever reason, and that's the reason why it's been written off.
Do you reckon any bits will be in the car?
I don't know. We've had it before, haven't we? Hopefully it is, but I don't think we'll be that lucky today.
There's a lot of bits on them bumpers, isn't there? Fog lights, grills.
Yeah, there is. Yeah. Well, to be fair, we do have quite a lot of that sort of stuff, don't we? Laying about the workshop. Yeah. A lot of that in the parts department. But from what I think we're going to need, I think we'll need a front crash bar. We need the foam that goes on it. We need a headlight and a front bumper, and then obviously all the fog lights that go with the front bumper. That's what I'm hoping for, but it's Cat N, it's done 36,000 miles, so it's nice low mileage, ain't it? Yeah. And these alloys that it's got on it, I've never actually seen before. Well, I have seen them, but we've never bought a car with them before. And they're really nice alloys.
What are they? A bit different.
Yeah, well, yeah, we're nearly there, you'll see it, but yeah, it's just something a little bit different. But yeah, I'm hoping this one will be a nice little...
What colour is it?
Ooh, it's like a purpley colour.
That red, that dark red.
Yeah, we have done it before. We've done it twice before, both times they've been good sellers. So I've bought this one really as just sort of a bit of a quick spin around, and hopefully we can get it in and get it out, especially with it being a category N. So we're just pulling up to Copart now. So
you can put the mockers on it now, by saying, don't you? You put the mockers on it when it's a quick turnaround. You probably find the mockers. That's like the jinx.
Is it? I think it'll be alright. Fingers crossed it'll be alright. It's been put in by an insurance company, so it's not like somebody's tampered with it and put it in privately, but...
It's got keys, logbook?
No logbook, one key. Oh. So, we're literally just pulling up now. So we'll get loaded up, get the straps off the back, put the high visors on. Hopefully, I'm right.
I do hope so. Hey, be nice.
Before we get to Copart, I need to show you guys this Porsche 917K. This build takes over 30 hours. There are over 312 individual pieces and will be the perfect way that I can reset over Christmas and spend some quality time with my little brother teaching him how things like this are built. And there is also a limited artwork piece that is available with this bundle. They are made from premium die-cast metal and come with a quality finish, so you don't have to worry about painting it. Now I would say that 99% of all of us are never going to be able to have a 917K, but Poker make it so all of us can have at least one in our life. In the last video, you would have seen that it took me hours to build this 12-cylinder flat Porsche engine, and that is simply because of how many parts there are. There's over 300 parts to this die-cast car, and they all need to individually be put on, glued or screwed. Now, I've made cars like this before, and trust me, sometimes it can get real complicated, but the instructions that Poker lay out are so clear and precise that you just cannot go wrong. Now, if you see, guys, even just on the small bits like the brakes, which you're never going to see once it's all assembled, Poker go the extra way, and this is premium die-cast metal. It's not plastic, and it is literally like you are building the real thing. And this is the limited free artwork that Poker also supply with your 917K. So I will be leaving a link in the description box below that takes you straight to the Poker site. Get your orders in and get a lovely project to do over Christmas. You gonna load it?
Go on then, no. Go on to the handbrake. Oh.
Some new tyres in the front. Right, so let's go around it. That's what I mean by the wheels. The wheels are the wheels are different on it, ain't they?
What?
They come out the factory like that.
Yeah.
It's different, ain't it?
A scuff here, look.
Yeah, scuff there and a chip in the door there, I think it was.
Just push out, I think, clean up.
Well, that's what they was like on that that grey course we done, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Exactly like that.
So what's it done? Just done this?
Just done that. I just like I pushed it right back. I wonder if that's done anything to that leg.
No.
Don't look like it, is it? Just looking at the way that it's done it like that.
No, I don't think so.
That old dent in there.
Yeah, no, I just said to you that.
Dent in there, scuff in there, but that'll look out, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It's not a big deal at all. I'll just get in it.
Oh, a few bits missing.
Oh, what have we got missing? We've got
A
missing
cover.
the cover for, well, the only reason I think that could be off is for the OBD reader.
Yeah.
It could be OBD reader. Well. Anything in the boot?
Headlight?
Headlight. Let's have a look. Oh, is it good?
No.
It's not where. Oh, no. Anything else in there?
Bag of bits?
Right, so there you go. So it has been taken to a body shop then, ain't it? There you go, that's a bit there.
Oh, yeah. Spare wheel with it?
Yeah?
Yeah. Spare wheel.
So if it starts. Think it'll start?
Should do, shouldn't it?
Yeah. There you go. Nice and quiet, ain't it?
Yeah.
Nice and quiet. It's got a sunroof on it. Well, because it's been to the body shop, I don't think this is going to have
Nothing in
with
it.
it. Well, yeah, I've got the tyre cap though.
Well, bumper on cover.
Let's have a look though. Oh, I don't think it'll have anything. Oh, look at them. Sheen. There you go, put them on. Oh, there's none in there. None in there. What else we got? Cutlery.
Oh, be out for dinner today.
Cutlery for the new workshop. Locking wheel nut key. Yeah, put that there.
Is there anything in there?
Let's have a look. No, we've only got the owner's manual.
Oh, that knows something.
Oh no, no.
Yeah.
Service plan for Arnold Clark. Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame.
Nothing underneath neither.
No little compartment under the seat, no. Well, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. It's only done 36,000 miles.
Yeah, might not have been in for a service yet.
No.
You never know.
Right, let's pop that belt bonnet and we'll see what it's like underneath. Got to Copart on 24th of the 7th, so it's not been here long at all. Not been here long at all.
It's all clean, yeah.
Nice and clean. Has it still got its water in it?
Yeah,
See why it wouldn't.
yeah, it should have. That leg ain't been touched. Nothing's touched down there.
No, it ain't, is it?
No.
No, nothing's been touched down there at all. It's the old gas that's in it. Probably, well,
Yeah.
to be fair, we've got so many slam panels, we might have to change the whole thing, haven't we?
Yeah, just change it.
We'll just change it. We've already got a headlight for it, so I'm going to order a pattern bumper for it. And that's it. Not a lot of damage to this one at all. We have just left Copart and, well, what do you think?
You got lucky.
Got lucky. How did I get lucky?
You did, you just got lucky.
Seems like the more
That's
cars I
probably
bid on, the more photos I look at, seems the luckier and luckier I get, eh?
I think that must be my sort of expertise rubbing off on you a little bit.
Yeah. Well, it is exactly.
Don't worry, you'll soon fall down one day again.
Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah, it's happened once. I'm sure
One
it'll
tomorrow.
I'm sure it'll happen before. Yeah, we've got to pick one up from Rochford tomorrow. I won't speak too soon. Right, so no messing about today. We're going to get this slam panel off and we're going to get on with this repair. Now, as you can see, if you look through the middle of the two crash bars, the condenser looks a little bit tired, so we are going to replace it. We have already got a couple spare in the parts department, so we'll swap that over and I'll continue to get this slam panel off. Now, I know what some of you are going to be thinking, why is he doing a Fiat 500 when he's got the McLaren and the Alfa Romeo to do? Do not worry, guys. The Alfa Romeo and the McLaren are going to be done very, very shortly, but the Fiat 500 and the Corsas are our bread and butter cars, and ultimately they help us pay the rent. So do not worry, guys, because we are going to be coming thick and fast in 2025 with some of the projects. So stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed if you aren't already. I have gone and ordered a pattern bumper for it. We know these fit very, very well. So I have prepped it and I'm going to paint it. So last time Davies again smashed out of the park with the colour on this, because I know sometimes the Fiats can be a bit difficult to match. So let's get the booth sealed up and get that door shut, get masked up, and we'll get painting. So that is another project completed, and that one turned out really, really nice, didn't it?
Yeah, that was nice, that red one.
Well, to be fair, when I was picking it up, I was actually a bit concerned that there wasn't enough damage on it for it to be written off. But, well, there was no damage to it whatsoever, really, was there? There's a front bumper and a headlight.
No, that was good. That was quite a good one, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that one sold literally instantly. As soon as I put that up, that was gone. But I have just completed this one. This is a 24,000 mile 18 plate. It's one previous owner. It's got a 4 years MOT on it with no advisories. So this one is now available. To be fair, guys, I don't think this one's going to be around for long at all. So if you guys are interested, then you need to hit my email. My email will be in the description box below. Give me a message on there and I'll give you a email back in the order that they're coming from. So first come, first served. But yeah, this one, we've barely done nothing to this one, did we? It was literally front bumper wing. But I did pick it all up from Liverpool, didn't we?
Oh, was that the one from Liverpool?
Yeah.
That was a long way.
Yeah. But yeah, so this one's now available. So if any of you guys are interested, then do let me know. But with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one.